In this video, I will show you how to make this transparent text effect in Canva. So let's do it. First, open Canva and click on text. Click add text and add the word or the text that you wanna use. For example, me, I wanna use summer. Click on it and go to font and change the font. For me, I will change it to Anton and I will just drag it and make it look bigger like this. And I will change also the color to white, and I will add an effect, left effect, and I will go here to intensity and I will make it 100. If it is not enough, the shadow, you just have to duplicate. So after this, go and click on share, download, and download this image as a PNG. Click download. So next, go to upload and you have to add the image that we create right now, summer, this, and also we have to upload the picture that we want to use as a background, this. So next I will delete this and I will add my text or my image that we created, and also I will add the image that I want to use as a background. So I will make it like this, make sure that is in the right resolution. Yeah, I think now it's better. Yeah. So next I will go and click on apps here. Click on apps. And on apps here, search in the search bar for blend image. Blend image. Click on it. And click here on the first one. It's going to take you to this page. And right now, click here on this image that we created and go to top layer and click use selected image. And right now click on the picture that you want to use and go to bottom layer and click use selected image, and then go to blend mode. If it is normal like this, search it to multiply and click add to design. And that's all, guys. So I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe in this channel, and bye.